Thanks for coming to KSHB.com and checking out our blog. Boy, have we been in a quiet weather pattern. Now, it's going to change a little bit here in the next couple of days, as there is a really strong storm system off the Pacific Northwest coast. But if you notice, it's not really moving, and there is a big trough there in the eastern Pacific. That storm has been evolving and kind of just stationary for several days, and what it's doing is throwing up a ridge in the middle three-quarters of the country, of which we are in the middle of it. So mainly dry and warm has been the weather pattern, and that is going to continue. Now, there is an exception. That storm in the eastern Pacific is pushing out little disturbances into the western United States, and one of those little disturbances is headed our way. And one of them, the one that is headed our way, brought some showers, even a couple thunderstorms to the Los Angeles area here on Monday morning. And that radar there from Southern California is very similar to what we may see here tomorrow night and Wednesday morning. Just a few showers and thunderstorms as this little system comes through the Rockies. So let's take a look at things. Today, a little cooler than yesterday. We have a light easterly wind. We had a weak front go through yesterday evening, or afternoon or evening, so lots of sunshine. Today's high in the mid-60s, around 66 degrees or so. The cool weather off in the Great Lakes. So now let's go to this little change for Tuesday into Wednesday. More clouds will show up tomorrow, but it should be a dry day. And then we look off to the west. Here comes that weather system. And as we go towards tomorrow night and Wednesday, some showers and thunderstorms will form from Iowa into eastern Kansas or so. Not a big storm. Some areas a trace to a quarter of an inch. Other areas could see maybe a quarter to half inch of rain or so. We could use the rain. This is not going to be a lot, but hopefully your yard or farm will get that drink of water that we could use. And then this whole thing is going to move off, and I've drawn it in as a broken cold front. You're going to see why here in a second. So this front is coming through on Wednesday. It moves off to the east by Wednesday afternoon. But look at the temperatures behind it. 73 to 75 here again. 74 in Hill City, 67 in Valentine. Now, there is cool air associated with this system, but it's out ahead of it in the Great Lakes. 50 in Chicago, 45 in Madison, Wisconsin. Windy and wet up there. That cool air is headed east. It is not headed this way, and that upper level ridge is going to rebuild at the end of the week and into the weekend. So here is your forecast: 66 by 5 p.m., 58 by 10 p.m., and 2 p.m. down to 53. The clouds will start to thicken up, and the temperature probably won't fall much lower than about 52 or 53 by tomorrow morning. Well, that's 73 tomorrow, 74 Wednesday, that after the morning rain. Back up close to 80 on Friday, well into the 60s on Saturday with plenty of sunshine. And some of the latest data suggesting Halloween could be 75 to 80 as well. We'll take a little closer look at that as we get closer to it. Also, the snowflake contest. We know there's no snow in the forecast yet, but you could win a $1,000 gift card from Nebraska Furniture Mart by going to kshb.com/contest and picking the date and time when you think the first 1 inch of snow will fall here at 41 Action News as measured by one of our meteorologists. So the contest is on. We know the next 7 days there is no chance of snow. Have a great week ahead.